Alright, matulog na tayo. Gabi na. Tulog na. We have organic sleep tools tea before bed. Good night. Thanks for watching. January 8th. Oh, I love the sun outside. Oh, para namang may beach dyan, daddy, oh. Sana may beach, pero wala. May giant amaryllis tumubo. Dad's gift few years ago.
Letting them soak for at least 3 hours and transfer these drained onions back to the large bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 generous pinch of black pepper, of oregano until the seasonings are added to the onions. Now, add the zest of a lemon, dividing it evenly. Which seed is the lowest?
Oho.
Pas-pasan ng sini. Pas-pasan ng tanong ng ito pag tidrayo.
Excuse me.
Ha? Wow. Nalagay mo ba na lagi yan?
Hindi, likod mo lang pinakaharang.
Sabihin mo ko sa lataan mo. Isip mo ako lalo mo gusto na.
Paharang. Ha? Sino katundan sa tao di silang itan ni Hurway ko nagluwag. Sabat ang luwag mo. Sino katundan lawag. Hindi ko siguro ka nakakarahas na. Yung ka ano. Nagpangit. Datapin ko. Sinangkutak. Pinto dadaal man. Parang din na dito. Nagrahas na tayo. Kasi nagparamin. Grabe. Nararamitan na ito. Kasama pa mga private ata. Nararamitan na. What do you think? Brian? Oo, nakada.
Dati yung kalay ko yan.
Ito, dati.
Ang gusto ko na ito.
Ano mo? Ano ba yung overheat man eh. So dati sa dyan go overheat. Overrun. Grabe, yan lang 6 minutes na. So we are using this Eco Sheets is Earth Breeze. So if it's heavy, because I put heavy, we have to put 3 of them. 1, 2, just put it on top if it's top load. So there's 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. I don't know, I think I put too much of the clothing because I'm afraid the other washer is not working. Where's the other one? I thought I put 3. Daddy, I lost it. Oh, it's here. Right there. And it's heavy and warm. And I'm gonna start using my phone, so I'm gonna turn it off. And this is the Eco Sheets. It is fresh scent, powerful, clean, easily dissolves, no mess, and up to 60 loads, and HE 30 sheets. Clean laundry, no plastic jugs, and we can bring it for road trips, and that's what we do. Road trips. Hi, Mister. Wee. Okay, start the load. Okay, while that is working, we're going to do our stretching. Okay, let's go, Daddy. Let's go. Okay, Daddy. Stretching. So we just did our stretching here at work, and I forgot to turn it on. I thought I did turn it on. Never mind.
Huh?
Home.
At-
At work.
At home. Oh, I said at work. Okay, stretching done. And I have to check my laundry. Na naman nila yung door. Maglalaba kami, ay magtutupi. Ha. Wala kaming gym time. Ang gym time namin maglaba. So, there we go. Gym time. This is our gym time in the laundry room. There's history. There's two. All done. Haha. Nakatupi na. Gabi na. Hindi ka pa pinapatay itong ilaw. Usually yung caretaker, pinapatay niya ito ng 10 p.m. dapat. I guess not today. Maybe it's a new patakaran. They change it. Let it on. Let everything on. Ha?
Ang residence ang mga nagbabayad.
True.
Kasi dinivide na lang.
Oh. Oop, nakasama sa video. It's not me. It's not me. The heck? Okay. Thanks for the help. That's our weather right now. Tomorrow it's gonna snow in Friday and the weekend.
It hurts.
Snowing.
Mosaic.
Gosh. Snow. Okay. Must have been love. Snowing again. Happy Thursday. That's snow. Not too bad.